Welcome to Stoic Harmony, the channel where we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its practical applications in modern life. Today, we're delving into a thought-provoking topic, the art and dark psychology of ignoring a woman. While this may sound counterintuitive or even controversial, understanding the nuances of human behavior, especially through a Stoic lens, can lead to profound personal growth and more authentic relationships. Before we dive in, remember that our goal is to empower you with knowledge and encourage ethical behavior, not manipulation or harm. In Stoicism, silence is often a tool for introspection and self-control. The Stoics believe that by controlling our reactions and emotions, we gain mastery over ourselves. Ignoring someone, especially in a calculated manner, taps into this philosophy. It's about maintaining composure and not being swayed by external forces. Psychologically, being ignored can be a powerful experience. It can trigger a range of emotions, from curiosity to insecurity. For some, it's a challenge that compels them to seek validation. Understanding this impact is crucial because it highlights why ignoring can be a potent psychological tool. The concept of intentional absence involves deliberately making yourself scarce. This doesn't mean disappearing without explanation, but rather being less available. In relationships, this can create a sense of mystery and allure, as people often desire what they can't easily attain. Controlling the flow of communication is another strategy. By being selective in your responses and not always initiating contact, you create a dynamic where the other person might start to value your interactions more. This doesn't mean ghosting, but rather being measured and thoughtful in your communication. Being ambiguous in your intentions can keep others guessing. This unpredictability can be intriguing and can lead to heightened interest. However, this should be balanced carefully to avoid leading someone on or causing unnecessary confusion. Ignoring someone, especially intentionally, can border on manipulative behavior. It's essential to reflect on your motivations and the potential impact on the other person's feelings. Stoicism teaches us to act with virtue, so always consider whether your actions align with ethical principles. The psychological impact of being ignored can be significant. It can lead to feelings of rejection, low self-esteem, or even anxiety. It's crucial to be mindful of these potential consequences and to avoid using these tactics with malicious intent. The goal should never be to play mind games or emotionally manipulate others. While some strategies might work to increase attraction or interest, they can also lead to toxic relationship dynamics if not handled with care and integrity. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of detachment, not in a cold or uncaring way, but as a means to maintain inner peace. In relationships, this means not being overly attached to outcomes and respecting the autonomy of others. Rather than focusing on manipulating others, Stoicism encourages self-improvement. By working on yourself, becoming more confident, and cultivating virtues like patience and wisdom, you naturally become more attractive to others. True Stoic wisdom lies in treating others with respect and seeking relationships based on mutual respect and reciprocity. Ignoring should never be a tool for manipulation, but rather a strategy to maintain healthy boundaries and self-respect. There are situations where pulling back can be beneficial, such as when you're being taken for granted or when you need space to reassess a situation. Knowing when to employ this strategy is crucial. If you choose to use ignoring as a strategy, do so with clear intentions and ethical considerations. Communicate openly when necessary, and always be prepared to engage in honest conversations if the situation calls for it. People may react differently to being ignored. Some might pursue you more, while others may withdraw. Be prepared for these outcomes and respond with integrity and empathy. In conclusion, the art and dark psychology of ignoring a woman or anyone can be complex. When used ethically and thoughtfully, it can be a tool for personal growth and better relationships. However, it's essential to remain mindful of your intentions and the potential impact on others. Stoicism teaches us to act with wisdom, courage, and justice, and these principles should guide our actions in all aspects of life, including relationships. Thank you for watching Stoic. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, true wisdom lies not in manipulating others but in mastering ourselves. Stay stoic, and see you in the next video.